Alright.
We don't need to see your freaking thing.
Yeah, we do, man.
And I can't really see the color, you know. All I can see is pure white. Dark white.
Oh, it's fucking mythic.
You're funny.
Enjoy the show. My show. Trying to get ready, man.
What? Did walk?
Maybe, I don't know. Walk around. Not right now, though. Wait to watch the awesome video.
Can't believe we actually made it through the whole fucking round.
There's more videos of this. You surviving about one round.
Is that the snow thing?
Yep. You can upload this on Facebook, man?
I'm posted on everything.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Alright, if you want to add me, it's DemonCross97. Don't be shy. I'll be online mostly every day, I think.
If you don't sell the Xbox.
Yes, if I don't sell my Xbox. And add my big buddy, Dennis, Master D258.
Remember, we're both big.
No, I'm the biggest, strongest, fastest.
Ever. After this video, I'll check if we can hear you.
Really?
Yes.
If not, jeez, said all that stuff for nothing.
No, I'll say it in the next video.
Damn. I did clan battles. I mostly won, but I retired from my clan.
You ever played MOG?
MLG?
Yeah.
On the playlist?
Yeah.
Not really.
You didn't even play it once?
No. Never heard of it before. Well, I did see it MLG. I just didn't go on it.
Alright. How much minutes? One, right?
So, I don't know.
10 seconds, right then.
So,
What?
ooh, right there, finished.
What? Seen it here. And if you don't want to see Michael, I don't know. Alright, peace.